Okay, now let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. How often do you meet your family?
I meet my family every day. I spend time on every day, but I have no time to spend with my family. On weekend, I spend whole day with my family.
Okay, how do you spend time with your family?
How often?
How do you spend time? Means
Uh,
what do you do together as a
yes.
family?
I spend time with family. We do doing we doing each we doing we can eat a meal together.
We have our meals
Together
together,
we can
especially breakfast, lunch or dinner.
on weekends I have time. I have time to, we going outside to
We go
we
outside.
go outside to watch movies and have lots of fun.
Okay. Do you want to live with your family in the future after marriage?
After marriage.
I added that.
Yes, I finally yes, I think so.
I think so, yeah, if my wife allowed me. Yeah, if she allowed me then. So come on.
uh, yes, definitely. I leave my family after
I
marriage.
leave my family
Oh,
after marriage. Look at him. I leave my family after
I
marriage.
spend my time.
I would love to live
Leave
with
my
my family.
family.
Seva karenga te meva milega, huh? So,
After marriage,
after marriage, I will have a new family. So why old family? New family, new year. Okay? All right, let's go on. Are you close to all your family members?
yes, definitely. I love them really much. We doing
We do.
we do eat together and
We do a lot of things together,
together.
and I'm very close
Close
to
to very
all my
my
family
family
members.
member.
Or the family member I'm going to be close to is not arrived in my family yet, so I cannot say anything. How has your family influenced you?
Uh, my family influenced me in many ways.
Yeah.
We depend on each other and we guide.
It means what is the impact of your family on you? How has your family influenced you means the impact of your family on you. So you can say my family has impacted me in many ways. First of all, my father taught me to be honest all the time. So therefore I am honest, and my mother taught me to speak the truth every time. So this is how my family has influenced me.
Yes,
ठीक है, उनका असर क्या है आपके ऊपर?
Yes, sir.
है तो नहीं है, लिया तो नहीं असर? हाँ, I want to leave my family after marriage. Very sad. Okay, who is your favorite family member?
My favorite family member is my brother who live in London
Who
now.
lives in London?
Who lives in London nowadays, but if but he come to Pakistan, we going outside.
All right.
to
So London वाले ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਈ. Yeah. Someone asks you, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਈ ਲੰਡਨ 'ਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. Yeah. Okay. Then the whole story is
Yes.
clear. Overall, it's fine. Focus the question, answer accordingly, and precise to the point answer,
Yes.
and of course grammar.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Let's go on. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends. Some of them are very close friends.
Okay, a givey bolo. Yeah, that's what my own IELTS trainer told me. A givey bowl. Do you have many friends? Yes, I have many friends and I often meet them, but there are some close friends who are really close to my heart. So to answer your question, I've got a very good community of friends and I often meet them like that. At least 4-5 sentences, right? Let's go on. How often do you talk to your friends?
I used to talk with my
Not use used to in present. I usually talk to
I
my
usually
friends.
talk with my friends daily because some of my friends are my neighbor and we meet together and we talk.
Yeah, we talk with each other.
With each
Your
other.
answers are good. Just be confident and speak fluently. Okay. Let's go on. How do you communicate with your friends?
I communicate with my friends through social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and through on call.
Okay, now this is again a short answer. I communicate with my friends through social media. First of all, I use WhatsApp. We have a group on WhatsApp and we often chat there. Secondly, I use Facebook Messenger to communicate with my friends. So to answer your question, I mostly communicate with my friends on social media. Speak like this, okay? You'll get better band score. Okay, what do you think makes people have a long friendship?
Yeah, I think mutual understanding makes people
Have a long friendship.
long friendship, and
Yeah, if friends understand each
if
other.
friends understand each other, and if and friends trust each other, that's how the friendship makes long friend.
Okay, how do people make friends now?
People makes friend now
People
through
make friends.
people make friend through internet, through social media like WhatsApp and Twitter,
Okay.
etc.
All right, this is good. So you are lacking content knowledge. Your language is good, but you should come up with more ideas, then you'll be better, right? Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.